Hi friends, here is my new video. It shows my Rubik's Cube collection. As you can see, I have 11 Rubik's Cubes. Out of them, these 6 are WCA puzzles and the rest 5 are non-WCA puzzles. WCA puzzles are ones which are recognized by World Cube Association for their competitions. WCA is an international organization to hold the cube competitions. The cubing competitions are held on different criteria like shortest time, fewest moves, one-handed, blindfolded, etc. Now let's see my Rubik's Cube one by one. This one is the most original cube, that is Rubik's Cube. It has 27 pieces including the core piece. It is designed by a Hungarian designer Erno Rubik in 1974. It can be called the forerunner of all cube puzzles. This Rubik's Cube is from YJU Long brand and moves pretty smooth. This one is 4x4. It is also called Rubik's Revenge. This Rubik's Cube is from the Rubik's brand. Its difficulty level is higher than 3x3, but with practice it can be solved very easily. Its quality is neither too bad nor too good, as we cannot turn it smooth and fast. This is 5x5 Rubik's Cube from GV brand. Its difficulty level is not much higher than the 4x4, but it will take longer time to solve. Its quality is pretty good. This one is 6x6 Rubik's Cube, also from the GV brand. Its difficulty level is almost same as 4x4 and slightly more than the 5x5. Its quality is almost same like the 5x5. This one is called Pyraminx. As you can see, it is a triangle pyramid with 4 sides. It is also from the GV brand. It is the easiest puzzle among the WCA puzzles. It is of good quality as it clicks on the right place. This one is Megaminx. It is dodecahedron in shape. It is also from the YJU Long brand. It is easier than the Rubik's Revenge, that is 4x4, and is but difficult than the 3x3. Its quality is also good. These 3 are Windmill Cube, Fisher Cube and Axis Cube. I purchased them in a combo pack only for Rs 499. The Windmill Cube is the easiest among these 3, but harder than the 3x3. The Fisher Cube is of medium level, and the Axis Cube is the hardest among these 3, but can be solved as a simple 3x3. This one is Cube Mixer 3 from the Moyu company. Its shape shifts and extremely hard to solve, but I have managed to solve it a few times. This one is Puppet Cube Volume 2 from Moyu brand. It is the most difficult puzzle out of my collection, and that is why I like it the most. It is in reality a 3x3 fused in a 2x2. Here is the 2x2 part with two layers, first and the second. And here is the 3x3 part with three layers, first, second and the third. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.